Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time joining, this is Katanjali from Queens, New York. Today is June 18, 2021, and I am in Ecuador. Today's my last day in Ecuador, so I decided to take a little adventure to Mindo. So Mindo is a city that's 2 hours away from Quito, and initially we were supposed to go to the chocolate factory, but it's closed. So we're gonna do a chocolate tour, then go see the butterflies and maybe some zip lining. Definitely eat, and yeah, and go back to Quito. Okay, so come along and enjoy this vlog with me.
The more important cacao around all the world is this one. This is the name is national. Why is national? Because it's that star here. This is the beginning of the star. This yellow one. You can find other varieties around all the world, but this is only here. This is the national because don't have too much chemicals.
What's the name of it?
It's national.
National.
So
Okay.
national is national.
Okay.
Here, and I'll show you for inside for the fruit.
Yeah, yeah.
You can see here. You go open. This is the fruit for inside. That is mixed with other kind of cacao, for example, like that. Yeah.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah. This is the chocolate is the part inside here. I go open here to show you for inside.
Oh, so that's the seed and the chocolate is inside.
Exactly.
Oh.
This is the part
Oh my
when they
God,
make
how
it, when they
cool.
make it. Yeah, it's the same color.
Yeah. Is it purple though?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
This is a ramilla. This is the more production.
Okay.
More production is a lot of the fruits, but mixed with this one, I made this hybrid, this B52, B52, no? This is the name because it's more commercial. It's the good quality because it's mixed.
Okay.
And this is with that we make the 80% of the chocolate around all the world is making with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's good too.
Oh man, don't cut yourself.
I hope. And you can
It's
see.
white. Why is it white?
Exactly, because that is passed to the time.
Oh.
Normally
okay.
the bowl is the same color. That's passed to the time.
Okay.
But you can test that. This is really fresh. Please give me your hand.
Okay.
Just
Oh, it's cool.
yeah, just so.
Yeah, I can take it.
Yeah,
Okay.
3.
I'm having organic. It's organic chocolate. So this is the fruit, and once the guy cut it, the fruit open. So this is the seed, and inside is the chocolate. So basically, you have to suck it. Well, it's really good. Right.
The first step we make it that we put that in a box like that.
Okay.
I'm going to show you. But now we don't have here the box,
That's okay.
but the box is a box, a steel box
Right, right.
with a little. Hold it.
A
When
hole?
the hole,
Okay.
you open and bubble in the this
Oh, and it comes
base.
out from the bottom.
Exactly. Open.
Yeah.
And all the liquid with that. You put all the beans.
Right, right.
Open this bubble and extract all the liquids.
They do that in my country. I'm from Guyana. Guyana, next to Brazil. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we do that.
Guyana, okay.
Guyana, but we do it with peppers. Yes, yes.
Oh, this is similar.
Yeah, it's a similar process.
Yeah, this is
Right.
only copy.
Yes, yes.
But the importance made something with the fruit.
See.
With somebody things, no?
See.
Okay, you open that, extract all the liquids,
Okay.
and with this liquid, the 2 first days you can make and juice or the cacao. You take all this liquid and save directly in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
When you put that in this refrigerator, you can make a juice. That's amazing. Don't exist in other parts. You don't like that?
Yes.
Yeah. Magic and juice of that.
Ooh.
Cold.
Cool.
It's really
So this is the seeds from the fruits, and this is 3 weeks, this is 2 weeks, this is 1 week, that is 4 weeks, and that's 5 weeks. So this is natural black chocolate. So like, if you crack the beans open, I think I'm doing it right. And if you look right inside, this is it's chocolate. I think I didn't crack it correctly.
don't get nothing. For example, now they use normally it's easy to put. For example, what's your name? Excuse me.
Diana.
Diana. Okay.
Yes, that's my middle name. Yeah.
So, Lady Di.
Yeah, like Princess Diana.
Something like that.
Oh, so you're making my name. Okay.
Okay. Later, that is easy to give a shape. To
Right.
Put. For example, the people use to make the different things. For example, earrings to the ¿cómo se dice?
We're going to make chocolate now. So we took the seeds. So these are the seeds that were dried for like 3 weeks. So making chocolate.
Wait,
Okay,
yes.
we're making chocolate. Okay, so I put it in. I don't want to put it in. Okay,
And now we can do it.
so I'm like stirring it up.
Yes, that is our cooking now.
Okay.
Okay. This process is stored for the Maya, so we need to make all that because through roasting.
Okay.
The Maya roasting normally roasting all the beans find in the Mayas, for example the corn that's roasted.
Right.
When you find the fruit or the cacao,
Okay.
you make the same.
I see.
Eat the food, and later roasting the bean or the cacao. Discover later, the smell is really strong, it's different.
How does it smell like?
It smells like chocolate, hot chocolate.
Organic hot
Yeah,
chocolate.
it's
Yeah.
different. It's really,
It's very different.
Now this is where I make that.
Okay.
It's more or less 8 minutes. When you drink the bowl and the bowl the chocolate, the Mayas feel the aptitude is different to all the soldiers, all the.
So after 8 minutes, this is the result, and then next steps.
They give flavor natural. No use nothing with chemicals. For example, essence, no?
The scent is really good.
Yeah, take a little bit, something like that.
Okay.
Okay. I'm putting your okay.
Why do you just put? Because if you put a lot, it's gonna be too rich, right? So you just want to put like a small portion.
Yeah, it's more portion to
Okay.
test faster test.
Faster. Okay, got it.
Okay. Now we are use something. Do you remember the leaves?
The leaves.
Yeah.
Yes.
You put to give a little of the sweet is natural. Only you put in the hot water these leaves.
How many drops is that? Like a few? Like maybe those stress? Oh, okay, that's cool. Mix it? Okay.
Yeah, mix.
So I'm trying this different flavor. I just mixed it with some
There's citrus.
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 I'm looking at my guide as I'm talking.
Se tiene jengibre.
Exactly. Good.
It's bitter.
It's bitter. It's
No, don't like it. Too bitter. It's like tastes like pepper. Okay, just finished my, oops, I have some chocolate here. Sorry. Just finished the chocolate tour. As mentioned, I couldn't go to the chocolate factory because it's closed. I didn't do my research because the chocolate factory is only open on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday, and today is Friday. However, I was able to tour with a local, and I did a local tour and of their chocolate. And our tour guide here, he actually goes to Baltimore, Maryland once a year. Obviously, he couldn't go last year because of the pandemic, but he goes there and he introduced the Ecuadorian chocolate, and he educates the Americans on, you know, their chocolate, because Ecuador is known for their chocolate. So our next stop is to the butterfly garden, and wow, that chocolate was delicious. Who doesn't like chocolate? All right. It's raining again, and we are going to the butterfly garden. This weather in Ecuador is so dramatic. Finally, we made it to the butterfly garden. This is absolutely beautiful. So it's fresh flowers hanging, and this is like the entrance into the gardens. Oh my goodness. Made it into the butterfly garden, well, butterfly conservatory, and these butterflies are so gorgeous. So I saw like a bunch of them. Oh my goodness, so cute. They have this stuff in New York City. It's called they have it like in the botanical garden. This is so gorgeous. Okay, so we're on this little trail, just walking around. It's raining, but it's totally beautiful. It's supposed to be like a little forest, a trail that takes you to the forest. It's absolutely gorgeous here. There goes my tour guide. I'm not supposed to have my mask off, but oh my God, Mindo is so beautiful. I feel like you need a little more than a day to venture out. But overall, it's just a stunning place, and there are benches you can sit there. It's really cute. Oh my God. At Mindo, having lunch. Hey everyone, so that's it. my trip to Ecuador has come to an end. I am at the Quito airport, and I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my flight. The setup is a little different here. I'm flying with JetBlue, so they need to check my PCR COVID test. Although I'm fully vaccinated, I still need to take the PCR test 3 days before I travel. So yeah, I'm actually waiting. I just wanted to also mention that the airport is about 40 minutes away from Quito. That's without traffic. The traffic usually gets really insane in between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. because that's when folks they leave work, and then also in the morning between I think 8 and 10. So if your flight is around that time, you just want to make sure you invest a good amount of time to get to the airport. Yeah, so overall I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. And I was in Mindo. I feel like I'm messing up all the Spanish words, but I had a great time there. And also, do check my other vlogs out. You could take it. Go. Yes. And do check my other 4 vlogs that I did during my stay here in Ecuador. There's a playlist, so you could check it out. And thank you so much for your time. And if my traveling style is your thing, meaning if my traveling style sort of like aligned to your traveling style, then yeah, definitely. I hope these vlogs are helpful. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see future vlogs, and I really hope you do. And yeah, take care and talk to you soon. Bye.